Okay, so this video is all about Father's Day t-shirts that you should be selling right now. So go to Etsy, type this in, Father's Day gift, and you're gonna see a whole bunch of stuff. There's like, that's actually pretty cool. Personalized golf balls, that's awesome. Whiskey making kit, holy crap. Father's Day docking station, pretty cool. Best flipper, that's neat. This I Am Your Father Disney knockoff thing, cool, but they're gonna get in trouble. This wallet thing, mugs, that. But here's what I like. This type of thing. So it's a dad t-shirt. And dads love t-shirts, and they love t-shirts that say dumb things on them. And I wanted to show you this one because holy crap. 3,367 reviews for this shirt. I keep all my dad jokes in a database, which is crazy. Now you're looking at the price and you're thinking $8.99. How can that be $8.99? Well, if you go to the option, you go down here to the baby suit, aka onesie, it's $8.99. By default, what Etsy's going to do is put the lowest price in the advertised listing, even though it's a onesie for $8.99. When you look at this without hitting the option on the shirt size, it looks like the t-shirt is $8.99. Now, unfortunately, back here, it also looks like the t-shirt is $8.99, even though it's nowhere near that. So when I actually go in here, and I pick like my size, which would be here, because I'm a big dude, 3XL, now we're at $16.99. So this is going to be a mix. These reviews is going to be a big mix of different sizes. So let's kind of find the mid-range here. And you can look at, well, it starts at $13.79. It goes all the way up to 4XL at $17.99. Then there's V-necks from $14.39 to $16.79. So if you want to figure out an average, take the high plus the low and divide it by 2. So $13.79 plus $17.39. So let's do that right now. Let's go here. $13.79 plus 17.39 divided by 2. Average price approximately $15.59, if I did that right. I may or may not have. I actually did. Well, okay. So the average price is $15.59. Keep that in mind. Now we have 3,367 reviews. So 3,367 divided by, say 15% of the people leave a review. Wow. This shirt, which is basically a dad joke, it just says it sold like 22,446. That's my guesstimate, and then multiply that by the price. Wow, almost $350,000 in revenue. So let's assume that they keep maybe tops 25%, so times 0.25, $87,000 profit on that. And that's just some very, very generic guesstimates that I'm using in order to come up with those numbers. But we'll call it what it is. So at least 22,000 in sales, unit-wise. We'll guesstimate about 350, round that off, thousand in revenue, and we'll guesstimate about 87,000 in profit. So what you want to do is make not only this dad shirt, but I'm going to show you something. I'm going to give you a little tip here. You want to use Everbee because you can now go and you can look at new dad shirt, daddy shirt, Father's Day shirt, best dad shirt, gift for dad. And you want to plug that stuff in here, and then you can use Everbee to analyze it. So even here under product analytics, I can look at the tags. Can you believe this? This listing doesn't have any tags to show. What is happening? I think there's a little glitch in the old system here. Let me reload this. Gotta have tags. There we go. That was weird. So this one is saying total sales 9,772, but I'm saying it's got more than that. And there's your tags right there. Father's Day, cool dad shirts, dad shirt going from lowest to highest, gift for dad, dad birthday shirt, dad shirt is a popular one. So let's copy that and let's go to back here and let's plug that into Etsy. See what comes up. Oh, look at that. Father's Day gift, there's a ton. But let's just try a dad shirt, see what comes up. Look at all these. Most loved. It's not a dad bod, it's a father figure. Dad tax. Noun, a portion of an item a dad is entitled to when he buys something for his kids. Ensures food isn't poisonous. That's awesome. That is crude but awesome. Just plain old dad. The Dadalorian. Be careful with that. That's kind of Disney. Be careful with Nintendo stuff too. Dad cubed. This one too. Be careful. That's Marvel movies. That's Disney. You can get in trouble for that trademark stuff. But if you want to see at a glance, just go to the analytics on this whole page. I'll just try and pluck out the best selling ones. And here we go. So again, this one I keep all my dad jokes in a database. It keeps coming up. So let's actually go to their site, or their shop. Let's see what else they got. Thanksgiving. A whole bunch of dad collection. There we go. Super Daddy-O, Dadalorian, Dad Fixer Things, Dad Life. All these ones that are on here. 4 pages of results. So, what I'm saying is, dad shirts do very well for dads because they like them, they'll wear them. The kind of more quirky, the better, in my opinion. And even something like this, color-wise, you can tell it was designed by a female because those are not dad colors. So if I were to do this, I would make it not with this turquoise or this yellow. But I mean, what do I know? Since it's sold so much, maybe I should be doing them like that. I'd be sticking to more like, just one color over it instead of multiple. But it's actually not bad. I mean, the results speak for themselves. Dad Life, hashtag Dad Life. But again, you can use Everbee. You can just hit Product Analytics. And then we'll just review their dad collection. 37 results there. Or 37 listings. So Super Daddy-O game, leveled up shirt, Super Daddy-O, Funny Papa birthday. Oh, that's different. Fixer of things. There you go. But that shirt has a lot of sales. If I click it, you can see they're really hitting all the same tags on their shop, which is good. Let's go look at that one. Just close out that calculator for a second. Papa, if he can't fix it, no one can. 91 reviews. So again, that's a simple design that you could do. You could put on anything. Now, if you're doing print on demand, you could actually have it customize this automatically. So this says add your personalization example, design color black. Oh, okay. So they're trying to get the colors and design colors. Kind of a complicated listing, if you ask me. I don't think you need to do that. I think you'd be better off just splitting them out. But, I mean, this shop's been around for a while. They've been making a lot of sales, as you can see. So, the whole point is, dad shirts work very well. And you can sell, if you were to try and go like I used to, when I first started out, I would be selling dad shirts for Father's Day direct to a company called Teespring. And I used to use Facebook ads and just run traffic from Facebook ads right to Teespring and make the sale. And back then, this was 4 or 5 years ago, you could do that because there wasn't much competition, well, as much, and the ad costs were low enough where you could actually make a profit on this. If you tried to do that today, it'd be very difficult. So I wouldn't suggest trying to sell a t-shirt for dad for Father's Day on like a Shopify store. Especially using ads going to a Shopify store because that's not going to work as well. But if you're listing these on an Etsy shop, all of a sudden you have access to like 93 million buyers. Now it doesn't mean you're going to get full access right away, but you are going to have the ability to get access. So, the bigger stores are going to, of course, get more attention than you, but everybody has to start somewhere. So Dadalorian is already all over the place. I don't know if it's parody, but something like this. I'm the dad, scan for payment. Being a dad is priceless. Being a girl dad is expensive. Facts. Regional manager, assistant regional manager. Even those group listings are pretty good for t-shirts. I tell dad jokes periodically, but only when I'm in my element. Like stuff like that. Dads eat that up. Even this one. I really like this one because it's like legend since the year he was born, husband since the year they got married, daddy since when he became a dad, grandpa. So you could totally do something like this. And there are ways to even automate this automatically with print on demand. So a shirt like this is probably a good idea. It's got 270 reviews. The colors on this I actually like. And I like the personalization. And one thing, just kind of sidebar, when personalization is happening, I think on a t-shirt, I don't want my name on my t-shirt because I don't want people knowing my name. You know what I mean? Like if I'm going to wear this t-shirt, I don't mind them knowing that I've been a legend since I was born and I've been a husband since whenever and I'm a daddy since whenever. Like that's kind of generic stuff. That doesn't bother me. But on the personalized side, I don't want to put like my name up front and then everybody going like, "Hey, Will, how's it going?" You know, it's like wearing a name tag. Like, no thanks. So I think this is a great creative idea. And I'm actually going to probably create one of these listings for my own store after I shoot this video because I think it'll sell very well. T-shirts plus Father's Day plus dads on Etsy works. T-shirts, Father's Days, dads, everywhere else. I don't think you can really make it profitable, to be honest. The ad costs are just too high. The competition is a little too fierce, and it's just not going to work as well. But you can do this on Etsy. All right. If you need some help with that, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to help you out. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.